What is up, and welcome back to the Fridge Vlogs. This trip is a little bit of an interesting one. We are currently in Jackson, Mississippi. We're just working one day here. We have about 300 units that we got to load up, and then we are driving to New Orleans tonight, working one day tomorrow, and then we are driving to Dallas, Texas. We are working one day there. When we're flying to Savannah, Georgia, working a couple days there, and then driving up to Atlanta, of course, to finish off the trip. So this trip's gonna be a fun one. A lot of days, a lot of driving, a lot of different cities. So let's go get after it and be great. Alrighty, we just made it to NOLA. We're parked and walking to our hotel. Gonna shower up, get cleaned up, and then head out to the French Quarters for dinner. Go get some beignets. Beignets. Let's get it. All right, get in there.
Oh boy.
Never had a beignet.
Never.
You don't get honey when you take it to go, I guess.
I don't remember that. Oh my god.
How is it?
Powdery. Right.
Scale of 1 to 10.
7.
Okay. Okay. This is fire. So good.
So much. Right.
What is up? It is the next morning. We are in NOLA at the school. Not a lot of units here, like just over 100, and they already had them completely pulled out all by the elevator. So today should be a breeze, but then we have like a 8-hour drive to Dallas, Texas. So let's go get after it.
What do you not like mushrooms? I love mushrooms.
everybody. Braden Ferguson. What have we done so far today?
Loaded some fridges.
How many did we get? First truck 150. This one we got 55. 205 with 300 done. Introduce yourself.
Caleb.
How you doing? My name's Anthony, new on the team. Happy to be here. Let's get it done.
Let's get it done. Fan favorite.
Hello, everybody. I'm just over here trying to stay cool. I appreciate everybody's positivity. We're working hard here, getting stuff done. A lot of love.
Yeah, man. This is the vlog. I get like 20 views, MDD.
Nice.
It's the freak. He's back. Oh, rocking the hat. Pull it right now. That's vintage, baby.
You got any fans you want to shout out? Well, everyone's new.
I want to shout out my mom, my #1 fan. Actually, my grandma, TT, #1 fan. Shouting her out.
Shout out TT. Thank you for being here. We would love to see you a couple more years.
Thank you for letting him come.
Thank you for giving.
Out here at the workout gym, or the hotel gym. Gonna get a quick workout in, little chest and shoulders, and then just go shower up and get ready for dinner. Let's get it. Zachary, how we feeling?
I feel pretty good. I'm listening to some Zen meditations and getting through the day with a positive attitude.
Love it. Did you get some yoga this morning?
I did a little bit of yoga, a little bit of stretching.
It's good.
All right, where's everybody at? How are we doing?
This guy looks tired. What time did you go to bed?
Good, brother.
There it is.
I'd say that's a perfect park job. You guys said hold it. Hold it. Sides. I'm ready.
This guy was cool. Do this, Rob.
That's what you do.
I gotta watch this song, dude. Come on, come on, Mr. Tug. Come on.
I see him.
Should I join in? I don't know. We got it, right? We might as well. Come on.
Come on.
If he does. Come on.
Oh, we got a little more.
That was it.
I got on video.
That's it.
big dreams. Mind don't stop. Got big dreams. Got big plans. Got big dreams.
Got the matching hats. Yeah, squad is looking good. Squad's looking good.
Oh my god, bro! Look at the corner. Yo, get it. Use all the towels. Throw the towels down.
I'm working on it. We're on the 4th floor. Oh, hell no.
Yo, get the corners. Get the corners.
I'm fucking trying.
3 minutes in. And lift up the seat. Why are you plunging with the seat down?
I wasn't supposed to get this high, bro.
Oh my god, it's still going.
Why?
Yeah.
Tell you what, we're gonna need more towels. We're gonna need more towels in here. Dude!
It's still going. You gotta unclog it now.
Yeah, you got to get in there.
You gotta push it, bro.
I can, it's just gonna go farther in.
I understand, but like now's the time where it's gonna keep coming out. One big one. Push it down, pull it back up hard. Oh my.
We're fucked. We're fucked. It's not stopping, bro.
Let me do it.
All right, we're out here in Atlanta, Scout Atlanta, last day, finishing up. We just got to get this truck right here loaded with 112, and then we're on our way to storage and the airport to head home. Let's go. Can't wait to be home.
Got big dreams. Mind don't stop.